This is a fun bit of kit. It's a Netvue Birdfy bird feeder camera. It has a 1080p wide angle motion sensor camera which alerts your phone to any activity in the bird feeder. The Birdfy feeder comes with a bracket, so it's easy to mount it to a post like I have, or you can mount it to the wall. It's very easy to set up, easy to fill up. You simply flip the lid, pour in the food, which goes in there, and close the lid. You download the app, link it up to the Wi-Fi, and you can watch the footage anytime you like on your phone, live view, or you can watch pre-recorded, as there's a slot for an SD memory card. The Netvue Birdfy feeder is capable of identifying up to 6,000 different bird species. I found the Netvue Birdfy feeder very easy to set up. It didn't take long at all. It's very well built. You can get a solar panel, so you don't have to link it up to the mains or charge up the battery. The motion sensor camera will also alert you to other things, such as our resident mouse. There are also other perches available, like this one. You can put your fat balls in this bit, sunflower hearts in here, mealworms in here for the robins, as they love mealworms. And also you've got this little attachment for hummingbirds, if you're in a country with hummingbirds. There are also other attachments available, such as the hummingbird feeder, if you're in a country with hummingbirds, and also another attachment which you can put fat balls and other things on as well. If you enjoy feeding the birds, you can watch them on your phone from the comfort of your own home and see what birds come to visit your garden.